with that kind of, the kind of the three phases of catch up, keep up, get ahead, I think, what we're saying is there's a number of streams running, and you need to kind of visualize them, because there's a lot of interdependencies. It's like, well, we can only do this when that thing slots into place. It's a really kind of complex jigsaw, and it is overwhelming, but by visualizing it, you can see how all these streams run at the same time. And I think my final kind of parting thought on road mapping, especially in requirements, is don't think about this as a waterfall. You don't just go and do this, we've got to do the catch up, we're behind. Well, everyone feels behind, it's not just you. So I think Pharma, in that kind of very waterfall mindset, goes, we will do these things, and only when they're done shall we get on to the kind of keep linear up. And the best way of thinking about it is you need these three streams running all at the same time. You want a group of folks working on the kind of catch up, a group on the keep up, and a group on the get ahead. And people talk about that as the digital mindset. It's the more agile. It's being able to run with multiple things at the same time, not in a sort of a gated approach.